So in today's video, what I want to do is show you one of the fastest ways that you can use a AI tool like the Google AI Studio to help you get a side hustle up and running. I'm going to try and build an entire online business and try and keep this video under 20 minutes. So bear with me. I'm going to show you everything in a step-by-step, click-by-click format. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of value out of it. And of course, this video shouldn't be taken as financial advice. I'm only making these videos to give you guys the education and the information that I wish I had from the very beginning. So we're going to start off by using this quiz over here. If you're a returning viewer of my channel, you would have already seen it. It's going to take you through around 5 different multiple choice questions. So we're going to complete it together. By the way, you're going to be able to find it in the description down below for completely free. So question 1 is, what type of digital product are you most interested in creating? Bear in mind that this video is going to be about making and selling a digital product, product that you don't need to hold any inventory. Every single time that you make a sale, it's going to be instantly sent to the customer via email. So it's one of the best side hustles to start if you're someone that has a laptop and an internet connection and a low budget. So the one that I'm going to select in this case is going to be spreadsheets. You do have all of these other options, and if you're following along with what I'm doing, you can select any one of them. Digital planners, ebooks, courses, Notion templates. There's so many different types of digital products, but I'm going to go with this one and click on next. Question 2 is, what is your skill level? I'm going to say beginner, even though I've been selling digital products now for the past 7 years and I've generated multiple 6 figures in profit. But for the sake of this video, let's go with beginner. Question 3 is, why do you want to make a digital product? Of course, the aim of the game is to sell it, so we're going to select this one. Question 4 is, what type of niche do you have knowledge in? So I'm going to pick finance and investing for today's video, but again, we've got all of these different options. Question 5 is, how do you want to sell your digital product? I'm going to say on my own website. Question 6, what color scheme do you want for your digital product? I'm going to say that I want it to be professional and clean. And finally, how do you plan to promote it? So I'm going to say via social media post and then click on submit. Okay, perfect. So it's now come back with this prompt based on the answers that I selected. So what you need to do is just copy everything just like that. Go back over to the Google AI Studio. By the way, you can find it at aistudio.google.com. You're just going to paste everything in there just like that and then click on run. And as you can see, it's already gone to work to start building out the entire plan when it comes to what I need to do to get this side hustle off the ground. And here we have it. This is the final end product of the side hustle plan. Again, this is perfect for those of you that might be confused on what you need to do, how you need to do it, and the steps that you need to take, because it's got everything here. It's got all of the different domains. It's got all of the different prompts that I'm going to need to get the digital products built. It's got the actual checklist for me to follow, just everything when it comes to building out this entire online business. And my goal is to show you exactly how I would use it. So again, I'm going to be selling a digital product. In this case, it's going to be a spreadsheet. And according to the Google AI Studio, it's telling me that the best type of spreadsheet for me to sell is going to be around retirement. And I know, guys, this is completely boring and you're probably thinking, Sam, I don't care about retirement or spreadsheets, but all of the different things that I'm going to do when it comes to building this, you can apply it to whatever you're going to do. And what's really interesting about the Google AI Studio is that if I just come over here, copy this, and then go over to Google Trends, we can see that the Google AI Studio is completely right. For whatever reason, people have gone onto Google in the past year or so, and so many people have been searching for retirement tracking. The beauty of using the Google AI Studio is that it's directly connected to Google's database. So whatever type of business it tells you to build, it's probably backed by proven data. But now that I've got an idea of exactly what type of spreadsheet I'm going to sell, the first step that I'm going to take is start the process of building out my website. So what I'm going to do is just come over here. And as you can see, this is the prompt that I'm going to use. And if you just go back over to the quiz, you're going to see a direct link for you to build out your website so that you can start selling your digital products. So I'm just going to click into it. And it's now taking me over to this page where I'm going to be able to use AI to build an entire website with the help of Hostinger. Hostinger is great for so many different reasons. I always tell you guys it's what I personally use myself. You can get a 30-day money back guarantee if you're not happy with it. You can cancel at any time. And the one that I normally go with with is the Business Website Builder. As you can see, you're going to be able to get 3 months for completely free. You can build up to 50 different websites. You can sell products and services, 0% transaction fees. And there's all of these different AI features, the AI text editor, AI image generator, AI blog generator, AI logo maker, the list goes on and on. What I'd recommend that you do is go with the 48-month package, because this is where you're going to be able to get the biggest discount, but of course it's completely up to you. And I would also recommend using this discount code as well, because it's going to give you an additional discount on top of all of the discounts that you're already getting. But once you log in, it's now going to take you over to this page where you're going to be able to claim a completely free domain. So that's another good thing about Hostinger, is that you're going to be able to get a domain without having to pay for it. And if I just go back over to the Google AI Studio, before you even start the process of building your website, you just want to make sure that whatever domain that you're deciding to go with is actually available. So I'm going to double check one of these. Let's go with this one over here, planfortomorrow.store. This goes really well with the whole retirement theme and, people planning for their futures. And the reason why I'm going with a .store domain is for so many different reasons. Firstly, when people see the .store domain, they're going to instantly know that it's a website that's selling some sort of product. In addition to that, when you use a .store domain, you're going to be able to get 87% more website traffic, and you're going to get potential 2 times higher ranking on Google as well. And it's not just me that uses it. Michelle Obama uses it, Mariah Carey, we've got Mr. Beast, we've got Cristiano Ronaldo, Emirates Store uses it, Universal Music, Maroon 5, we've even got Rihanna. And they're not using it for no reason. They're using it because, again, people are going to instantly be in the mindset of bringing out their debit card or credit card as soon as they land on your site. And with Hostinger, you're going to be able to get the domain again for completely free. But if you did want to purchase the domain elsewhere, or maybe purchase additional ones, you can do that using the link in my description down below, because with that link, you're going to be able to get a .store domain just for 99 cents. I'm going to put the coupon code on the screen as well, so be sure to check that out. And before I forget, when you get a .store domain, you're also eligible to get discounts using their partner website, elevate.store, which is a toolkit that has various different apps, softwares, websites that's going to help you out when it comes to building the side hustle that you're building. But back to building the website, let me quickly check the domain that I was able to find. So what I'm going to do is click on claim domain just like that, click on plan for tomorrow, and I'm going to select .store and then check availability. And yeah, right there, as you can see, the domain is available, and I'm going to be able to get it for completely free, and I'm going to be able to get it straight away. And once you've now secured your domain, the next thing that it's going to do is take you to this page where you can start building out your website. So I'm just going to enter the brand name again, plan for tomorrow. And in terms of the description, we're just going to get that right now. We're going to go back over to the Google AI Studio. We're going to copy it just like this. And then we're going to come over here, paste it in there just like that. Double check everything, make sure that I'm happy with it. Bear in mind, if it builds the website, you're not happy with it, you can just come back on here for completely free, make any adjustments. There's a lot of flexibility when it comes to using Hostinger. So I'm just going to leave it like this and then click on create a website. Okay, here we go. So this is the site that it was able to build for me. This is where I'm going to be able to start listing all of my different digital products for sale. So as you can see, it's done an amazing, outstanding job. All of these are different placeholders for the different spreadsheets that I'm going to be selling. I'm going to show you exactly how to update that in a moment, but I'm sure that you guys by now understand the benefit of using an AI store builder to get your site built, because the only thing that you now need to do is go over to the AI tool and start building out your digital product. And then literally you're going to be able to come back on here, make any changes to the website, any text, any images that you want to change, you're going to be able to easily do it. But for the most part, it seems to have done a really good job. But I'm going to come back onto Hostinger in a moment. I'm just going to quickly show you what I would do if I wanted to build a spreadsheet using AI. And I'm going to be able to find the prompt in the Google AI Studio. It's right here. So I'm going to be able to copy it, and I'm going to be able to either use ChatGPT to make the spreadsheet or another tool called Julius.ai. In this case, I'm going to use ChatGPT. So I'm just going to paste the prompt in there just like this. And from there, what I'm going to do is read through it. I'm happy with it. I'm just going to click on submit, and there we go. It was able to build out the entire code for the spreadsheet. Everything has been done, and now I'm going to be able to download it directly onto my MacBook. So let me quickly do that and show you exactly what it was able to do. Okay, so here it is. This is the spreadsheet that it was able to make, and this is a really good starting point because it's already got all of the different formulas, all of the different text, and just the basic structure of what I need to do. Of course, I may want to add things, I may want to change things around, but that's the good thing about using a tool like ChatGPT. If there is anything that you want to change, all you need to do is enter a simple prompt, or you can even do things manually, change it yourself, and just repeat that process over and over again when it comes to building out multiple different digital products that you can list on your website. I'm not going to spend too much time on this part of it because you guys can see, what it was able to do. I just want to focus more on what you need to do when it comes to listing the product and how you can also potentially get customers onto the site that you've just built. So let's go back over to Hostinger. For me to list this digital product for sale, I'm just going to come over here to store. Then what I'm going to do is click on add a product, and I've got all of these different options when it comes to all of these different types of products or services that I can sell on Hostinger. Physical products, multiple physical products, services, donations, etc, etc. But we're going to be working with digital products, of course, so I'm just going to select that. And this now brings me on to a very interesting tool that Hostinger has, where you don't need to insert all the information, the title, subtitle, description. All you need to do is upload an image, the main image that customers are going to see on your website before they bring out their credit card and buy whatever product you're selling. Once you upload this main image, Hostinger is going to be able to populate all of the information. And you're probably thinking right now, but Sam, how exactly am I going to get this main cover image? I don't have any design skills. I don't have money for a freelancer. Well, the way that you can do that is by first going back onto Google AI Studio. And if you scroll down, you're going to see this section over here that says Nano banana image prompt. So I'm just going to copy the prompt just like this and go over to Nano Banana. And I don't think I need to explain exactly what Nano Banana is, but it's basically Google's image generation tool. You're going to enter a prompt. From there, Nano Banana is going to be able to make whatever image that you want. So to find it, as you can see, it's right here. I'm just going to click on it. I'm just going to enter the prompt in here just like this. And then I'm going to click on run, and I'm just going to wait for it to do its thing. Okay, perfect. So this is the image that it was able to make. As you can see, it's done an amazing job, if you ask me, when it comes to producing this main cover image. It may not be perfect, but for what we're working with today, I'm going to leave it as it is, and I'm just going to download it. And then I'm just going to go back over to Hostinger, upload the image in there just like that. And right now, as you can see, it's already producing all of the text, and that didn't take too long. It's been able to already do it. And the thing that you're going to need to do is, of course, read through it, make sure that you're happy with it, make sure that there's no mistakes, and scroll down over here, set the price in. I'm just going to put it at around $29.99. It's going to be in the section that you need to add the file for whatever digital product that you're working with. So I'm just going to quickly do that right now. And once I'm happy with everything, I'm just going to click on save. And if I just go back over to the website, I'm going to click on shop. We can see that the product has now been listed right here. If I just click into it, open it up, we're going to be able to see it. If I just go back to the main page, I want you guys to get a look at what it's going to look like when a customer lands on the site. So right here, this is the shop page. This is the spreadsheet, and from here they're now going to be able to add it to their bag, and of course that's when the money is going to be deposited in my account. There's going to be some steps in between, when it comes to setting up the payment processor. I've made a recent video walking you through this. I may link it at the end of this video, but I'm sure by now you can see how simplistic it is when it comes to using all of these different AI tools together, integrate them to help you build an online business. The only thing that you're going to need to do from this point is just make sure that you have a system in place when it comes to getting traffic onto the website. And there's so many different ways that you can do this. You could do this with short form videos. You can do it with blog articles. Hostinger Finger has a inbuilt blog generator that you can use when it comes to generating blog articles that have the potential of being ranked in the Google search results. You can also run Facebook ads. You know, there's so many different people right now running Facebook ads to all of these different low ticket digital products. You can spend as little as $5 per day. Or what you could also do is go back over to the Google AI Studio Planner, and it should give you these different prompts for you to use Nano Banana to help you generate organic content that you can use on Instagram. So as you can see over here, this is a list of different prompts that you can use. So I'm just going to go with this first one over here. I'm just going to copy it just like that. I'm just going to go back over to the main page, select Nano Banana just like this. I'm going to enter the prompt. All it says is a simple clean graphic showing a growing plant, symbolizing financial growth, and some text overlay, etc, etc. You guys can read it. Just going to see exactly what it's going to be able to come back with. So let me click on run prompt. There we go. This is the image that it was able to come back with. I'm not saying it's the best image. Of course, you want to play around with it, you know, try different prompts, try different images, decide on what type of style you want for whatever brand you're trying to build. But the main point is we live in a world right now where there's so many different options, so many different avenues, and it all comes down to you taking the first step and trying to find your own path. I'm not saying that things are going to be easy. You're of course going to have to put the work in, but as long as you're able to take that initial step, you're going to be able to figure out exactly how to do things. Opportunities are going to open up, and you're just going to get a clearer picture of what you need to do when it comes to succeeding. Now, if you've found any value in this video, you've learned anything, or you've just generally liked it, don't forget to press the like button. I really appreciate that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification so that YouTube can let you know once a new video has been released. And if you also want to watch another YouTube video that I made not too long ago, I'm going to leave that video right there. In that one, I break down some of my favorite AI side hustles that'll be perfect for someone that might be working a full-time job, maybe a part-time job, maybe you're a full-time student, or maybe you're just someone that doesn't have a big budget. You're going to be able to learn exactly how to use AI to help you get started. So be sure to watch that video straight after this. It's already helped out so many people. But other than that, guys, I'm going to catch you on that next video. Make sure you stay safe out there. Peace.